Subscribe to OZiva TV and hit the bell icon for more updates on fitness, nutrition and wellness.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to day 3 of OZiva 14-day fitness challenge. This is Kunakshi.
And this is Miten. I hope you guys are all warmed up and ready to roll.
That's right. We are all set and warmed up for the third workout of our 14-day challenge. We are going to be doing an intense core workout circuit, which is going to surely fire up your core. As you guys know, Kunakshi and I over here are going to be demonstrating 2 different variations of the exercises, so you can choose to follow either of us. Kunakshi is going to be doing
easy peasy exercises, but it is still going to burn my abs.
And if you think that is too easy, come follow me, challenge yourself, get out of your comfort zone as we do this 10-minute workout. Okay, so guys, welcome to day 3. Today we are going to be doing 4 exercises for your core. Each of these exercises we are going to do it as a circuit, which means we do the first exercise, move on to the second, then to third, and then to fourth, and then rest for about 60 seconds and repeat the whole circuit a total 2 times. So the first exercise that we are going to be doing is called knee crunches, wherein I will be having my heels in the air, whereas Kunakshi will have her heels onto the floor to help you get more stability. You can follow either of us and do your movements at home. We do this exercise for about 30 seconds, rest for 20 seconds after that, move on to the second exercise, which is your plank. Again, Kunakshi is going to be doing
the elbow version
and I'm going to be doing the high plank version. You can follow either of us, hold the plank position for 30 seconds. Then we rest for 20 seconds, move on to the third exercise, which is your leg raise. The leg raises I'm going to be doing with my knees straight, whereas Kunakshi over here is going to be doing knee raises, which is a slightly easier version and help you avoid an undue stress on your lower back. After the third exercise, the final exercise is heel touches, where both of us are going to be doing the same exercise because it's absolutely very easy. Awesome, let's get the timer rolling. Like I said, my heels are going to be in the air. Kunakshi's heels are going to be on the floor to help her get more core stability. You guys can follow either of us as we do this movement. Everyone, let's get in position. And we go in 3, 2, 1 and 30 seconds. Let's go. If you're keeping your heels in the air, try to keep your heels stable, your knees stable, your knee at a 90-degree angle, your hips at a 90-degree angle. Hold your lower body as it is. Don't let it come in and out. If it is moving in and out, you can follow Kunakshi and do the slightly simpler version, which is going to be more effective for your core. Make sure you don't stop for these 30 seconds. Keep pushing, pace yourself, and you got this. So we rest for 20 seconds, then we move on to the second exercise, which is plank. Alright, let's get in position.
I'm going to be on my elbows. So I'm going to bring my elbows down and bring my feet onto the mat.
Similarly, I'm going to be in a high plank position. Ready guys? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go! Make sure you suck your stomach inside. Don't let your hips come up. Keep your body in a flat, straight line. Hold it. We're almost there. Come on. Yes. I know you can feel the burn. And relax. Nice one guys, good hold for the plank for 30 seconds. Let's rest for 20 seconds and prepare ourselves for the next exercise, which is leg raise. Like I said, if you feel that you're getting an undue stress on your lower back, please do a knee raise because that's going to be a lot more effective for you. Don't let your ego come in the way. Okay? Ready?
Yes.
And we go in 3, 2, 1 and 30 seconds. That's it. Pace yourself, keep a good rhythm, control the movement using your core. Suck your stomach inside every time you bring your legs in. Okay guys, last 10 seconds. Come on, keep pushing. Almost there. Yes. And 3, 2, 1 and relax. Superb. That was leg raise. Let's rest for 20 seconds and then we go with the final exercise of round 1, which is heel touches. Okay, everyone in position, and we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and let's go.
So guys, if you all are feeling uneasy or if you're feeling it's coming on your neck, roll your tongue onto the gum up, like just stick your tongue up there and continue with your movement. It's going to be a lot more easier for you all. And if it's still coming on your neck, you can place your hands behind and keep going.
Last 5, come on, don't stop. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Superb, good job, good job. That's the end of round 1. We rest for about 60 seconds and repeat all these exercises once again. Okay, are you guys ready for round 2? I hope you'll are well hydrated. Make sure you have some water before we get started. And we start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee crunches. Let's go. 30 seconds and that's it. Pace yourself. Don't be in a rush. Feel the crunch. Feel your abs. Do the work. Breathe out every time you come up.
Don't pigeon your neck forward. Make sure your head is heavy on your hands.
So this movement is not for your neck but for your abs. And 3, 2, 1 and relax. So guys, this time we are resting for 30 seconds, not 20. So focus on your breathing. Have a sip of water and we start again. Okay, let's get in position for the second exercise. Remember, 30 seconds plank, either the elbow plank or the high plank. Ready? 3, 2, 1 and position. Hold it. Squeeze your stomach inside. Keep your body in a straight line. Come on, almost there. You got this. Easy. And 3, 2, 1, relax. Good job guys. Let's rest for 30 seconds. Then we get in position for the next exercise, which is our leg raise or the knee raises.
So if you guys are doing the beginner version with me, then please keep your knees low. Do not keep them high. So let's get started.
Remember, the point is to move using your core, not using your hamstrings or your feet. Okay, let's get in position. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Come on. Up and down. Easy, nice and slow. Make your abs do the work, not your lower back. If you feel it on your lower back, make sure you do the knee raise. Easy guys, come on, last 10 seconds, push it. And 3, 2, 1 and relax. Nice one. Good job guys. 3 exercises down, final exercise for the day. Okay, let's get in position for heel touches and we go in 3, 2, 1 and start.
Stick your tongue up or protect your neck. Whatever you choose, just be careful and go slow.
The point is to feel the burn in your core. So if you don't feel that, take a moment, focus and then do this exercise. And 3, 2, 1 and relax. Okay, that was the end of our day 3. Make sure that you guys fuel yourself right, and for that
I'm having OZiva's plant protein, which is absolutely clean and sugar-free.
That's amazing. Make sure you guys nourish yourself well as well. Get a good night's sleep tonight and we will see you guys tomorrow in our next video.